Are you looking for the best scroll saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best scroll saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 20-inch scroll saw. You wouldn't be wrong if you called DeWalt one of the best power tools manufacturers. They top the list in almost every criteria, and the reason is not far-fetched. Once again, they have combined durability, functionality, and strength in this masterpiece. The DeWalt DW788 scroll saw produces cuts with close to perfect detailing. One very good thing about this brand is that its double parallel link arm design helps to greatly decrease vibration, thereby giving room for a more steady and accurate cut. It features a tool-free blade change technique, allowing you to easily replace the blades without stress whenever you feel the need to. You can adjust the cutting thickness to a range of 0.75 to 2 inches. Thanks to its arm lifts, you can easily thread the blades right through the material to enable you to get to inside cuts. This saw also provides you with bevel cuts, as it can tilt 45 degrees, both to the left and right side. The DeWalt saw also features a 20 inches throat length. This allows you the opportunity to work on a wide range of differently sized projects. With a throat length of 20 inches, you should have plenty of room for cutting a wide variety of different sized materials. Up next in the 4th place is the WEN 16-inch scroll saw. Intricate cuts and perfect detailing are probably WEN's strong points, as reflected in this WEN 3921 to 16-inch scroll saw. It's fabricated in such a manner that it accepts blades in either the standard manner or at 90 degrees. So you'll enjoy an unending ripping capacity. The motor of the WEN 3921 to 16-inch scroll saw boasts of a fair speed ranging between 400-16 strokes per minute, depending on the nature of the material being cut. The table is not much different from the other products we've reviewed this far. It has a maximum width of 16 inches. It can also tilt to the left to a maximum of 45 degrees. This guarantees you clean bevel cuts with high precision. It can only cut woods that are 2 inches thick or less. It also has a maximum throat depth of 16 inches. If you hate the noise that comes with scroll saws, then you may as well opt for this product. This is because it has a cast iron base, which is fairly noiseless. Changing blades are pretty easy because of the tool-less blade change system. It also has a flex light for ease of use at night. Also, with the dust port, you'll always have a clear table devoid of dust particles. The 3rd product on our list is the ShopFox 16-inch scroll saw. It's pretty uncommon to come across highly efficient machines such as the ShopFox W1314 16-inch scroll saw. Without hypes, this machine has all the features that position it as one of the best in the market. With a commendable power of an 1/8 HP, these scroll saws deliver as much speed as required to tidy up your intricate woodcut. Precisely, its no-load speed ranges between 550-17 strokes per minute at a blade stroke length of 3/4 inch. This speed is backed up as further justified in its 1.2 amps motor rating with 110 V and 60 Hz frequency. The machine can tilt between an angle of 0.45 degrees to give more specialized cuts. It has a 1/4 dust port to ensure that the machine doesn't get choked up with particles of the materials. More so, it has a dust blower to ensure further that your immediate working environment is neat enough for you to make your cuts. It uses both pin and plain blades. Whichever one you choose, the maximum cutting width remains 16 inches. Additionally, it has a gooseneck work light to ensure you don't miss a detail. One of the downsides of this equipment is that it vibrates and makes noise in the process. If you can live with it, then you may find this to be very resourceful. Second on our list is the General International 16-inch scroll saw. The General International BT8007 16-inch scroll saw is one of the few products on this list, and in the market as well, that have flex neck LED work light. What this means is that you can literally use this equipment at night and still achieve accurate cuts. It's a corded electric tool with a power rating of 144 watts, 1.2 amps, 120 V, and a frequency of 60 Hz. It has a no-load speed of 416 strokes per meter, which varies with the nature and thickness of the material it cuts. Its stroke length is 5/8. With a sawdust blower, your working space will remain tidy as you cut further. Very importantly, this device can only cut wood that is not more than 2 inches thick. Any effort to cut a thicker material will meet a stalemate. It also has a maximum throat depth of 16 inches. However, you can set the exact speed you need before you start cutting exercise using the up-front dial. You can tilt the table from 0 to 45 to the left to achieve some neat bevel cutting design. It also weighs just 24 pounds. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skil 6-inch scroll saw. The Skil 3335-07 16-inch scroll saw is another sophisticated masterpiece that delivers intricate cuts and curves. It has a large work table with dimensions of 16 inches x 10 inches. The table tilts at angles between 0.45 deg to enable you to have clean and beveled cuts. The saw accepts both plane and pin blades. It has a maximum throat depth of 16 inches. You may also love the fact that it has a bright LED work light that will keep the working space lit up, even at night. Also, you shouldn't worry about cleaning the table of dust particles. This is because the 1.5 inches dust port is pretty efficient. If you don't have any problem with its 33.8 pounds weight, then this may just be the ideal tool for you. One beautiful thing about this piece is that it uses both AC and DC power supply. That's to say it is both corded electric powered and cordless. This makes it the first battery-powered scroll saw on our list, and arguably one of the best in the market. But then, the device doesn't come with the batteries. One downside is that the table is made of aluminum, which makes it pretty noisy, not to mention the ensuing vibrations. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.